Hey there, is your Samsung soundbar causing you trouble with non-responsive buttons? If you've been struggling with how to fix Samsung soundbar buttons not working, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through some practical steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue so you can go back to enjoying your sound system without any hassle. Step 1. Check the basics. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's start with the basics. Ensure that your soundbar is properly connected to a power source. Unplug it for a few seconds, then plug it back in and try the buttons again. This simple reset can often resolve minor glitches. Step 2. Inspect the remote control. Sometimes the problem isn't with the soundbar but the remote control. Check if the remote is working properly by testing it with a functioning device. If the remote isn't working, replace its batteries and try again. If your soundbar responds to the remote but not the buttons, the issue might lie with the soundbar's button controls. Step 3. Clean the buttons. Accumulated dirt or residue can interfere with the proper functioning of the buttons. Gently clean the buttons on your soundbar using a soft, lint-free cloth slightly dampened with rubbing alcohol. Take care not to let moisture seep into the device. This step might restore the buttons to working order by removing obstructions. Step 4. Perform a soft reset. A soft reset can help clear any temporary software issues. To perform a reset, turn off the soundbar and unplug it from the power source. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds before plugging it back in and powering it on. Test the buttons to see if the issue has been resolved. Step 5. Check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause functionality issues. Visit the Samsung website to see if there's a firmware update available for your soundbar model. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to update this firmware. This step can fix bugs and improve overall performance. Step 6. Reset to factory settings. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, consider resetting your soundbar to its factory settings. This will erase any custom settings, so make sure to note down your preferences beforehand. Refer to the user manual for specific instructions on how to perform a factory reset for your model. Step 7. Seek professional assistance. If all else fails, it might be time to seek professional help. Contact Samsung customer support or take your soundbar to an authorized repair center. They can diagnose and fix more complex issues that aren't easily resolved at home. Dealing with non-working buttons on your Samsung soundbar can be frustrating, but with these steps on how to fix Samsung soundbar buttons not working, you're well on your way to resolving the issue. Whether it's a simple reset, cleaning, or a firmware update, these solutions can help restore your device's functionality. Remember to be patient and thorough with each step. If the problem persists, professional assistance is your best bet. Enjoy your soundbar with crisp, clear audio once again.